We are
unique,
different,
established,
efficient,
innovative,
proactive,
unparalleled,
precise,
dynamic,
genuine,
enthusiastic, practical,
robust.
We are West Construction.
We are West Construction.
We are West Construction. It all starts with the in-home consultation. We schedule an appointment with one of our design consultants. He'll come out to your house. He will actually interview you for your wants, your needs, your desires. At that point, you can ask him questions about our process and how things work. One of the most important aspects of the interview is that our design consultant will ask you what your budget is for the project. And the reason why he does that is our goal as a company is to come up with a complete plan that will fit within your budget to make you comfortable, and then also give you all the things that you need and all the things that you want that will meet or exceed your expectations. Now we feel how that works is by using our process. What we can do is we can take in and start developing a feasibility study, if you will, to come up with an exact plan on how to make that happen. Because our ultimate goal is that we want all customers to have a good experience.
After we do the home consultation, I actually go back into the office and I will put all your needs and wants and desires into our design program. The program will actually be able to show you exactly what the tiles can kind of look like, the floor, like let's say you select carpeting or hardwood floor, it'll be able to show you the paint on the wall, and it's really like a virtual reality walkthrough. So you'll kind of get to see what your project will look like. It's kind of really cool. After the virtual reality, what I'll basically do is I'll have a storyboard for you. It will kind of show you the flooring, it'll show you even paint colors, it'll show you the tiles that you'll select, the granite countertops or the quartz material, whatever you decide to use actually on the countertops, whether it's a kitchen or a bath. And if it comes to a basement, I can kind of show you the materials, and I'll actually have them there so you can actually see and select. Don't have to necessarily go with what I want, because I want you to ultimately be happy with everything, but if I'm really listening to all your needs and your wants, I pretty much have what you want. Ultimately, I as the designer want to make sure that you, the client, are 100% happy with the project, and the only way that that can happen is through great communication with each other. Make sure that I understand exactly what you guys want, and I go from concept or from design to conception. That's my motto.
So once we've designed a project for you, we invite you into the showroom and show you the different variations of your project and how your layout could change. We could offer you the different options for cabinetry, countertops, flooring, your tile layouts and backsplash options, storage, accessories, and also even your hardware for your cabinetry. We like to offer different options for your scheme of your design. So say if you like light cabinets and dark countertops, we show you a couple different options of that to help gear you towards the look you're going for. Or say if you were thinking about a painted cabinet and light countertops, we like to go over those different options so that we can really hone in on the look that you're going for. It's also important to think about how you'll be using the space and what type of cook you are, if it's a kitchen, and the different appliances that you may need or features that you'd like. Once we've made all your selections, we can nail down the exact cost, and it will remain the same throughout the rest of the remodeling process.
After you make your selections, then we schedule you a a pre-con meeting, pre-construction meeting. At the pre-construction meeting, we go over things such as the house rules, where people can park, where, you know, about pets, your kids, important things such as that, where we can store material, when, you know, when we could be in the house, when we can't be in the house. We verify measurements at a pre-construction meeting. We like to see, make sure everything you guys selected will work. You know, from measuring out the cabinets to making sure that where the plumbing's at, checking soffits for any things that might be in there that's not. We try to avoid having any unforeseen situations once your project starts. We come back to the office and we order everything off the stuff we verified to make sure that it all comes in a timely manner. At the pre-construction meeting is also a time when we can bring in any subcontractors that we may need to use as far as electricians, plumbers, HVAC, that if there's, you know, any problems, we can get that brought up in the front, make sure that everything flows the way it's supposed to. This is a point in the process where communication becomes vital to us finishing this job and making the job go the way it's supposed to go. You will be hearing from your project manager as we get closer to the project on a fairly consistent basis. And then once your project starts, your project manager will be communicating with you on a daily basis via email and or phone call.
We've been family-owned and operated since 1979, and for me, our family is the #1 priority, and we like to treat our customers with the same values that we do our family. Wouldn't you say that's true, honey?
I agree. I remember in 1979 when I told my father that I wanted to go into partnership with him in the business. He told me that I should probably reconsider and do something else. But I just felt so passionate about wanting to do this business. And I've noticed over the years that what's happened is we've changed from a small contractor to a company that can actually really help clients with a professional process that guarantees good results. And how we've done that is we've instituted that philosophy that Patty talked about being friends and family for life. We're not looking for a sale. What I would like to have is our goal as a company is that we would like to have clients stay with us and want to have us keep working for them over and over. So how do you do that? One step would be, one of the most important parts of the process would be is integrity. You have to have integrity. You have to do what you say you're going to do. So end result is it's a good experience and you want to tell your friends and family, and so the relationship continues. Many of our customers ask us, why move forward with West Construction? I'm going to say this, that we've devoted 32 years of developing a process that will help our clients have a good experience. An example would be our accreditations with the National Association of the Remodeling Industry, National Kitchen and Bath Association. We've been selected as being a top 500 remodeling company in the United States. We have certifications for all of our personnel for different product lines and so forth. We have the highest ratings that you can get with the Better Business Bureau and Angie's List. Now those things are great and fine, but what I'm going to say to you is that I personally promise you satisfaction guarantee.
We are West Construction.